Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project in VS Code and creating the pages you will link, index, HTML, and the destination page. Once done, save with HTML extensions and organize files into folders like src/ or assets/ so paths remain predictable. Make sure Live Server is installed or prepared to preview, and confirm the Explorer shows files. This avoids guessing paths later and gets you into the editing flow immediately, so you can write links with confidence and accurate relative paths. You now write the anchor tags and pick the correct path style. Use a href equals, link text / and prefer relative links like /about, HTML or /pages /contact, HTML when files share folders. If linking from root, use a leading /, otherwise avoid it. Make sure casing matches file names exactly because most servers are case sensitive. Once written, save the file and use VS Code Preview or Live Server to click the link. This verifies navigation and surfaces path errors quickly. You finish by testing every link in Live Server and in a normal browser to confirm navigation and back button behavior. If a link fails, inspect the path. Check for wrong folder missing, HTML extension or case mismatch, and then save and reload. Make sure any base href in head isn't altering paths. As a key troubleshooting tip, open the DevTools network panel to see 404 and use VS Code's Explorer to confirm file locations. That typically reveals the single fix you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.